If you're tired of limited mobility holding you back, it might be time to upgrade. That's where electric wheelchairs come in. Not only do they give you freedom and independence, but today's models are more comfortable, portable, and reliable than ever before. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best electric wheelchairs that you will love. Whether you're looking for a foldable travel chair, a bariatric-friendly option, or a premium standing model, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the electric wheelchairs mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 6 is the Pride Jazzy Carbon Travel Light Power Chair. This is the best folding wheelchair on our list. This chair is built with a carbon fiber frame, so it's strong and very light. The whole unit weighs about 43.6 pounds with the battery, and the battery itself is about 4 pounds. It folds in a few quick steps and fits in a trunk or a closet, which makes travel simple. And it's airline friendly with a lithium-ion battery, so you can roll up to the gate with less stress. For all-day use, you get a padded seat back, a soft removable cushion, and a storage pocket. There's also underseat storage for small items. Plus, the joystick comes off for transport and has a built-in USB port to charge a phone. Now, the front suspension helps smooth out bumps while you are on the move. The drive system uses brushless motors and a dual braking setup, regenerative and electromechanical for control when you stop. The freewheel levers let you switch to manual push mode to save battery or help in tight spots, so you can go up to 3.7 miles per hour and up to 9.3 miles per charge. This chair has a 24-inch turning radius and a 300-pound weight capacity, and the ground clearance is about 2 inches. The footprint is also compact at about 37 inches long and 24 inches wide, which helps in doors and hallways. Overall, if you're looking for a folding wheelchair that's lightweight and easy to carry, this one is the best pick for you. Number 5 is the Merit's Health P710 Atlantis. This is the best chair for bariatric users on our list. It supports up to 600 pounds and keeps comfort with a very wide seat and a high backrest. You can choose seat widths like 24 inches or 26 inches and adjust seat depth from 20 inches to 22 inches in 1-inch steps. The 4 seat posts tie the frame together for better stability and long-term durability. And for daily range, it can go up to about 32 miles on a charge, which is far more than many standard chairs. The top speed is up to 5 miles per hour, and the chair can handle slopes up to 10 degrees with high-power inline motors. Now, it rides on 12-inch pneumatic drive wheels and 9-inch pneumatic casters, which help with grip and shock absorption. The turning radius is about 31.5 inches, so it still turns well for its size class, and the ground clearance is about 3 inches to handle small bumps and door thresholds. The control system uses a 60-amp controller with an off-board 6-amp charger for easier charging. The total weight is around 304 pounds, so this is a heavy-duty chair built to stay planted and steady. Overall, if you want a bariatric power chair that blends high weight capacity, long range, and a secure ride, this one is the best pick for you. Number 4 is the JustHero electric power wheelchair. This is the most lightweight foldable electric wheelchair on our list. The frame and layout of this chair are made to cut weight without giving up core features. It weighs about 36 pounds, which makes lifting into a car much easier, even for seniors or caregivers. Another thing I like is the one-step folding design that keeps it simple, like fold, lift, and go. It has 2 250-watt brushless motors that are smooth, quiet, and low maintenance. The load capacity is about 350 pounds, and the chair can climb up to about 12 degrees on suitable ramps. The tires have a honeycomb solid design, so they are puncture-resistant and steady on common surfaces. Plus, a small turning radius helps in tight rooms and narrow hallways. The 12-ampere-hour lithium battery weighs about 4.8 pounds, charges in about 3 to 4 hours, and can provide up to about 15 miles of range under ideal conditions. You can control it through a 360-degree 360-degree joystick with 5 speed levels, a clear power indicator, and buttons that you can learn fast. There's a front LED light to help in dim areas, and you can power a phone while rolling. The human-centered touches include flip-up armrests, a foldable footrest, and left or right joystick mounting to match your habit. Plus, the safety parts include a handbrake, a seat belt, and anti-tip wheels. Overall, if you're looking for a lightweight wheelchair that's easy to fold with real motor strength and simple controls, this one is the best option for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the electric wheelchairs discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Karman Healthcare X-0505 Standing Power Wheelchair. This is the most premium wheelchair on our list. It offers full power sit-to-stand in under about 15 seconds, plus power recline, power tilt, and power elevating leg rests. You can stop at any angle to match comfort or reach, and the LCD control panel makes the features easy to set, and the joystick handles driving and standing modes. The frame is made of 6061T6 aircraft-grade aluminum for strength without extra bulk, and the drive layout is a mid-wheel design with 6 wheels on the ground for balance. The rear shock absorbers help on uneven surfaces, and the range of this chair is about 25 miles per charge, which is strong for a standing chair with multiple power functions. Another thing I like is the built-in safety features like H-style chest harness, a lap belt, leg straps, and a large foot plate for support in stand or recline. This setup can help with daily tasks that are hard from a seated height, like reaching cabinets or talking eye to eye. Overall, if you want the premium wheelchair for positioning, independence, and daily reach, this one is the solid pick for you. Number 2 is the ComfyGo IQ-8000 remote-controlled folding power wheelchair. This is the best value option on our list. It weighs about 55 pounds, including the battery, folds in about 3 seconds, and fits most trunks. And it's airline and cruise line approved with lithium batteries, which keeps trips simple. Another thing I like is the remote control. You can pair it to the chair and drive from off the seat, which helps a caregiver park, dock at a table, or line up a transfer. The seat comes in 2 widths, about 16 inches or 18 inches, and the load rating goes up to about 286 pounds on the 16-inch seat, or about 330 pounds on the 18-inch seat. You can also pick frame colors and cushion colors to match your style. The chair is powered by dual direct current motors with shock absorbers to smooth the ride. The joystick is a 360-degree waterproof unit with a power button, speed up and down, a horn, and clear indicators. Plus, the underseat storage holds daily items. For range, you can choose a 12-ampere-hour battery for up to about 13 miles, or upgrade to a 20-ampere-hour battery for up to about 19 miles, depending on rider weight and terrain. It handles common paths like grass, bricks, and mild ramps at low speed. Overall, if you want a flexible folder wheelchair with smart extras and mobility, this one is the best value for money option on our list. Number 1 is the Golden Technologies LiteRider Envy GP162 Power Chair. This is the best overall option on our list. It offers great indoor handling, simple transport, and reliable range. The turning radius is about 28.5 inches, so it spins well in tight rooms and hallways. The top speed is about 3.5 miles per hour, which is right for indoor safety, and the range is up to about 15.5 miles on 2 22-ampere-hour batteries, so you can cover a full day of errands or home use. Now, it has a tubular frame that is strong and leaves space under the seat for a large basket. That underseat storage is great for a purse, a small bag, or groceries. For comfort, you can choose a 17-inch or 20-inch stadium-style seat. There's a large footplate and rear anti-tip wheels for stability. The Dynamic Links joystick is easy to learn and comes in standard or traditional styles. The chair supports up to 300 pounds, and when it's time to travel by car, it breaks down into 4 pieces in under a minute: base, seat, and battery pack. The heaviest piece is the base at about 37 pounds, which keeps lifting manageable for many users or caregivers. The ground clearance of this chair is about 2.5 inches, which helps over small thresholds. You can also choose from multiple frame colors to match your style. Overall, if you're looking for a chair with good range, simple controls, real storage, and easy car transport, this one is the overall best option to buy on our list. And that's all for today's today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect electric wheelchair for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find an electric wheelchair you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.